A waterfall again. It began yesterday before midnight. Usually it's once a month in average, coming from midnight to midnight, 24 hours, but it looks like this time it was shorter, only at night. It was very heavy waterfall at night, but it's already almost finished now. So I didn't film at night because it was very dark. And even this side, usually or sometimes this side doesn't come, the water, but this time it came this way as well. Often it comes only that part from here to there. So something has changed. But anyway, it looks like my cave isn't affected. I must wait maybe half a day or one day before the water seeps through the rocks and rise to my cave, but it looks like this time the cave isn't affected. Here was dropping as well water, but from the top, but it was due to rain, I guess, because usually to this side only it seeps through the rocks. It's very dark here. I don't have to take. Anyway, it looks completely dry here. I covered at night my things just to be sure, but it looks like water isn't seeping anywhere. That's good. Strangely, it's also raining from clear sky. These are not rain clouds up there, but it's raining. I can feel it. My phone is waterproof, so it doesn't mind the water, but it is raining. Strange. Very thin rain from clear sky almost.